From the main screen, we're going to click Puzzles to go in and set up our puzzles and clues, and also add our automation for auto trigger. Alright, let's take a look at how easy it is to add puzzles and set up some automation here in the puzzles screen. You can see we have a list on the left. To add a new puzzle, you just start typing in the blank row. We'll call this new puzzle, And then the reset instructions are used in the reset checklist that you can print out. You can print a pile of these each day and have your game masters check them off throughout the day, and even record any damage or wear and tear that they see on the puzzle so you can take care of that. We'll just put close the box as our instructions for this one. With that, you've added a puzzle. Now we can add some clues for that puzzle. Over here you can choose whatever type of clue you want. If you want to give a text clue, you're just going to type in your clue here. If you're going to use one of the file types, when you choose the file type, we'll choose a picture file. Well, you can't type here anymore. Instead, you click Browse. It'll show you the files. You can use your standard Windows browsing on the left. We'll pick this peace sign. And underneath the pictures, you can have a caption. That displays at the bottom of the picture or at the bottom of the video or while the audio is playing to give the players extra clue or extra context if they need it. You can also specify a reward. A reward is the same as a clue. It's displayed when the puzzle is marked as solved, whether it's marked as solved manually by the game master or automatically by auto trigger. Either way, if you specified a reward, it'll get displayed. You can choose the same audio, video, or picture, and also have a caption if you use one of the file types. With that, you've set up a clue, you've set up a reward, and you have a new puzzle. That's the basics of what you need. But one of the great features of ClueControl is auto trigger. Auto trigger lets us add automation very quickly. So we'll add automation for our new puzzle. First, we're going to tell ClueControl how does it know when the puzzle is solved, and we call that a trigger. We're going to say that the trigger for our new puzzle is called the gnome sensor. So when this gnome sensor is activated, ClueControl now knows to mark this puzzle as completed and deliver this reward type. In addition to knowing when a puzzle is completed, ClueControl has the ability to control devices. We call the devices switches. Over here you can mark which switches you want ClueControl to turn off or turn on when the puzzle gets solved. A quick note here, if you try to turn the same puzzle off and on, you'll see it shows you that there's a problem. And if you unclick either box, then it'll leave the other one marked for you. This auto trigger takes you to the screen where you can add your triggers and switches in. It's the same screen that you get to when you click auto trigger from the main menu. It's here as a quick convenience. We'll take a look at that a little bit later. Right now we're going to click all done and go back to the main menu and take a look at our next section.